Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of crypto mining and answering a key question. Can you still mine cryptocurrency with your PC in 2025? And is it worth it? If you've been curious about earning crypto with a regular GPU, let's break it down. Is crypto mining still profitable? The short answer is yes, but it depends on a few factors. Cryptocurrency mining profitability has fluctuated over the years, but advancements in GPU efficiency and the rise of certain coins have kept it alive for individual miners. In 2025, coins like Bitcoin may not be feasible to mine directly with a GPU, but alternatives such as Caspa, Ergo, or Ravencoin offer potential opportunities. How does GPU mining work? GPU mining uses your computer's graphics card to solve complex mathematical problems that validate transactions on a blockchain. For this effort, miners earn rewards in the form of cryptocurrency. What you'll need to get started. 1. A powerful GPU. Mid to high-end GPUs like the NVIDIA 3000 or 4000 series or AMD equivalents are ideal. Older GPUs might struggle with efficiency. 2. Mining software. Programs like T-Rex Miner, Gminer, or Phoenix Miner allow your GPU to connect to mining pools and start mining. 3. A mining pool. Joining a mining pool like two miners increases your chances of earning rewards. Instead of mining solo, you share the workload with other miners and split the earnings. 4. Electricity and cooling. Mining can consume a lot of power and generate heat. Be sure to calculate electricity costs and ensure proper cooling to keep your system running efficiently. Steps to start mining. 1. Choose the right coin. Research which coins are profitable to mine with your GPU. Coins like Caspa, Ergo, or Flux are good options for 2025. 2. Install mining software. Download and configure your mining software. Most programs require you to input your wallet address and mining pool details. 3. Join a pool. Sign up for a mining pool like two miners. Pools help you mine more consistently by distributing the work among many miners. 4. Start mining. Launch the software, monitor your GPU performance, and track your earnings. Is it still worth it? Crypto mining with a PC in 2025 can be worth it under these conditions. Low electricity costs. If your electricity rates are low, mining can yield a profit. Efficient hardware. Using newer GPUs helps maximize efficiency and profitability. Right coin selection. Focus on less competitive coins with good potential returns. Passive income mindset. Treat mining as a gradual income stream rather than a get-rich-quick scheme. Key considerations. Electricity costs. Always factor in energy consumption as it significantly impacts profitability. Hardware wear and tear. Prolonged mining can reduce your GPU's lifespan. Market fluctuations. Crypto prices are volatile, which can affect earnings. Crypto mining in 2025 is still viable for those with the right hardware and strategy. While it's not the gold rush it once was, it remains an exciting way to earn cryptocurrency passively. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. Thanks for watching, and happy mining.